sauce, the curry pepper sauce. I'll just put it to the side. This one tastes so good. It actually is so good. I buy my coffee. Check it out. Oh my god, it's so hot. I'll put it back. And about today is not Thursday, so it's only Tuesday and Thursday. She just sell the fish choker. So I bought some bayon choker and salad roti. So I just want to say congratulations to Sunita Haricharan on my main channel. She won 2 tickets to the cruise. I had a little competition. I don't know if you all know, in one of my videos I just said something nice about the channel, you know, we just make it simple. And she had a beautiful comment, most like comment. It's beautiful and sad at the same time. Is where she said she lost her firstborn child and her husband sometime, it could be earlier in the year or last year. I'm not 100% sure. And the channel is make she happy. And they're always looking for something fun to keep she mind occupied. And she got the most like comments. So congratulations, Sunita Haricharan. I'll see you in the cruise. So you can call 467-1525. Just call or WhatsApp, man. We'll make arrangement. Somebody know by gun. Like butter. So I was real busy yesterday. Yesterday was one of my busiest days. By the way, I work. After I work, I spent like an hour trying to go to ATM to get money for a haircut. Traffic was horrible. It's the worst to go in Sawa to get money. I went Eastern Credit Union in Sawa. They have a ATM. That like it crazy. I went Food Basket in Chamflair. That ATM only beeping off. So I ended up to go Scotiabank. The best bank in Trinidad, Scotiabank. I went Scotiabank and inside myself and I get through the money, but it actually took my hour to get some money just to get a haircut. So now I'm going to get my haircut. Then a guy had to come by and I had to sign some documents. Then after, one of my old friends came by, he came to buy some tickets. So we sit down and relax a little bit and he bring a 6-pack, so we drink chichi beer. Then I had to jump late to work till 10 o'clock in the night. Then after, I had to iron the train clothes for this morning. Then I wake up back 5:15 this morning. Sorry, and I organize the lunch kit and the water and thing. I make breakfast, I better go back and make breakfast. So I know I'm just waiting on Leah. She knows she finish any minute. So I think I had a long day yesterday. That was Thursday. So Wednesday I cooked some of the fastest curry chicken in my life. You know me, I can cook curry chicken and peas and rice at least 2 or 3 times for the week. That's what we like. That way you like. If that way you like, make it. So I think that was the fastest curry chicken I ever made in my life. Come out amazing. We just go back to that footage and at the end of this little daily vlogs. Happy Friday. Yes guys, daily vlogs the video shall be 2 more time. 4:30. And they seasoned chicken yesterday because Leah and the children feeling for curry chicken and peas. I know they might say curry chicken and peas again, but I tell you, my family, my kids and Leah and me, we must have curry chicken and peas at least once for the week. Now I had it this week in Cora, but them didn't have it. So as I reach home, As I reach home, it is cooking time. Quick. It's 4:45 and my video premiere at 5:30 today. So, trying to chunk the two pot very quick. Alright, so already I'm playing mad. I ain't cut the onion and thing yet. So I'm moving like lightning right now. I done cut up my stuff. I'll cut up the scythe to add in the ending. Rice done boiling. Things moving real quick today, guys. Hope this will come out good. And I'm gonna sleep 3:30 this morning, guys. Editing a video I posted on my main channel. A Riverline video. It's an amazing video. So I only get much sleep by 2.5 hours sleep. But I just trying to cook. And my video posted 5:30 today, which is Wednesday. And then I might go to sleep like about 7 o'clock. So when I sleep good one day, I'll just try to make it up the next day. Beautiful. Yes, guys, I say I'm moving like flash. I got pot spoon. Very quick thing to do. I fed up my curry chicken and rice, boy. But I love it. My family can't do without it. Very good. How we looking? We looking good? Actually looking good. Amazing. This smelling nice. I want to say this thing smelling good. I'll get into the spot a little bit again, yeah man. Daily vlogs every dish. All the crazy cooking is happening, daily vlogs every dish. Clean the rice over. I just have 15 minutes, you know, and rice done boiling, chicken done currying. One thing, once you're seasoning meat the day before, you're good to go. So the curry, boy, oh sorry. Nice. I kind of lost in everything, but I have everything together. Don't stop long. I've got a little bit of long here. The salad somewhere I lost that. I will find it there. About my garlic now. I got my garlic with it because otherwise burn. So where do I lost all these things? Oh, I find it funny go. Get a little bit of duck and goat curry, why not? Make sure, yeah, why not? A little bit of duck and goat curry and some achar masala. Can I do it with the achar masala? Right. Nice there. Looking nice too bad. So I like lying with videos in the kitchen. I'll check the time, you know, just some video premiere at 5:30. Just want to chunk this and I good to go. Burn a little bit, come on, burn a little bit. You can see some of my curry looking too black. You just add some saffron and that will just make the color look a little more pretty. It's up to you. Alright, I'm gonna get my water. Nice. That's really good. One curry. So now we'll make a little bit of curry chicken and pepper sauce to the side. Right, I'm gonna let that fire up there. There's so much different than we can cook here, boy. I can go and buy goat. I can go and cook some vegetables. I go 40 children eat some vegetables. I mean, I give them the veggies and things, but if you actually cook veggies as a meal, they won't eat the belly full after anyway. So sometimes just by getting us cook what they want to teach us, boy. Very good, boy. We was all kids once. Just doing. Sorry, tomatoes. Pretty. Look at that how looking. Perfect color. See the edges. Aside for time and things like that, but I like that go along, right? Put the heat, cover the pot, let the fresh water run. I'm going to heat one time. And I'm going to get some peas in the freezer outside for you. Beautiful. Now we just want to add the peas. Let you take your time and cook. Let you chunk it down nice with the curry chicken. I season the chicken, so I know she seasoned the chicken with some salt, so I ain't gonna add no salt yet. Water started running it. Feet real low. I don't think I'll raise heat a little bit. Right. I'm gonna cover this pot back. It's time to raise up the spot. I'm going to some water it run. Real water. Plenty water. I'll get a little turn. I'll get a little turn. Got the pot sliding with one hand. Put out all that fresh water. Let the water from inside the chicken. You have no water yet. Right. Take your time, burn out. See how this goes. Yes guys, rice done boiled. Rice looking amazing. We're going on that. My video went on premiere. So that was like 45 minutes, rice done boiled. And let's add a little this water burn down. I'll let water on this and some siphon some time. And a little extra salt. I don't taste it already, well salt. And then I don't cook. Siphon, some thyme. And this is some pepper cut up here. I will add some curry sauce in this to make my curry pepper sauce. It just make you feel like you cook with pepper. So I'm gonna watch my video, guys. Beautiful. Nice. When I have a little plenty water, I'll take out some of the curry water. Check it out. And add some onion, a little bit of pepper, plenty pepper, and I'll add a little extra salt to this. And this is gonna be my pepper sauce. I'm gonna add a little more. Yeah, that's good. That's gonna be with pepper sauce. The baddest pepper sauce ever. Curry looking sweet. Amazing. Give this a little turn. Real pepper. I tell you, just feel like you cook with pepper when you do it like this.
Nice. I did it in our last video, and now every time me and Leah curry chicken, we do this right through. I wish I had a nice little red pepper, it'll make it look a little pretty, but I don't have any. So that is the curry chicken, more or less complete. This is the curry chicken pepper sauce. Wow. Ooh. Oh, wow. Guys, I'm gonna take out my food, check it out. I think it's looking amazing. What do you think? I do good? Quick. My video now finished. It's like 6:15 and food done same time. Amazing. Coming back. The pepper sauce, the curry pepper sauce. I'll just put it to the side. This one tastes so good. I think that's enough. I taste this food. Yes, guys, and that was the end of the daily vlogs of videos. Quick meal. Check it out. Hey, a little thumbnail. We'll take a quick taste. The pepper. With the rice. Everything hot. I'm gonna see if I impress myself. That curry pepper sauce, guys. That curry pepper sauce. That curry pepper sauce is the best thing ever to you. Can I piece of meat? Bye-bye. Yeah, David, how you got in?
I'm gonna come.
David, come just for curry chicken and rice.
I'm coming and I'm leaving just now.
See, guys, I always say curry chicken and rice is bring family together.
Bring people together.
Yeah, understand? That's what we're talking about.
How's it done? They're gone.
How's it done? They're gone?
Yeah, bloody cake.
So, yes, guys, Kavi bought this AC for the gate. Kavi bought this cake for the guests and then for the Wally. It's an eggless ice cream cake. It's very happy Diwali. And they wanted to, okay, thank you, Navia. Okay, wait now. Yeah, so they wanted to blow this to Diwali, but let's waste it because they eat so much of stuff. So, I don't know, Vina, you want to cut cake?
I wanna.
So let me check what the inside is. Did we come into the cake there? This feeling, oh my god!
It's frozen.
Alright, this is a piece of work. It's very...
Yeah, throw it out, boy.
That's all right. How they got a little slice on camera? For my baby. The baby first. We're going smallest first. Who after then? Jade? Anya? Oh! Oh my god.
Cut lots of that,
It actually gets soft. It's getting soft.
Who blew it on the candle, though? Because it makes it very loud. Hey!
Happy Diwali again.
Pass it to me, I'll give it to Anya.
No,
Right, you
have
can
it, Jade.
turn back on the AC, I'm gonna.
Jade, you could have it. I just making joke. No. You could have it.
You can have it.
What flavor is it?
I don't know. How look you get the cake, David?
It's Oreo
What's the
flavor.
cake?
It's Oreo flavor and ice cream.
Oh, that's nice.
I don't like the frosting.
You don't like the frosting? So what's your favorite piece? The ice then?
Next.
Cake.
Check this piece, David.
My God.
Look at that.
So just
Thank you.
just Jade now?
Who got a gigantic
No,
piece?
Vinaya.
Did or Vinaya?
Alright, Jade. I think somebody get the perfect slice here.
Daddy, I need a spoon.
What about Surya?
Surya, you want then?
Daddy, I need a spoon.
Surya, you want?
Okay. I need a spoon. Oh. What?
And Helen had a gas slice too.
Daddy.
And don't forget Shami.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Everything a small slice too.
My God,
And just take out one for Diwali one time.
I see you.